She's going against our #1 qualifier here in heavyweights. Zung Ho in the Charger, taking on Beverly Feaster in the Cat. Who wants to see the Charger Hellcat win heavyweights? Who wants to see the Lady Beverly Feaster double up? Peter, I think that one's pretty obvious.
So what you're saying is they want to see Beverly win?
I think you're right. Again,
that would be kind of cool.
History.
First time ever we have a two-class champion in the same car. Dedicated Motorsports in the right lane. Let's see what happens.
Zung Ho's got something to say about that.